This is Alex with Upward Mobility, and Susan. This is Moby, our mascot, and they are going to demonstrate the Pinnacle 300 from Harmar. And this is a safe alternative to get you up and down your stairs in your home. You can see he's going up the rail now. A good feature is about halfway up you're going to see the folding rail. So if you have a tight space at the bottom of your stairs, it's great because people can get around easily without stubbing their toes. Or if you have a door that swings into that section, it will fold up and get out of the way for you. At the top you have a swivel chair, which will allow you to exit the chair safely, facing forward. See, he's swiveling back, lock into place, and now we're going down. The folding rail will fold back down into its original place for you automatically. It's quiet, so you can use it pretty much any time of the day and not disturb anybody. We are located at 340 Dorset Street in South Burlington, right next to San Remo Drive. We have 2 of these on display in different models. Feel free to come on in and check them out, and we'll let you test it, and we'll show you what they're all about. Thank you.